In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to QuickBooks Online. If you want your transactions to flow into QuickBooks automatically, this is a great feature to set up. It can save time, reduce manual data entry, and make your bookkeeping much easier to manage. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish in a clear and simple way. First, go to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're signed into the correct company file. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Accounting. This section is where QuickBooks organizes important financial areas of your business, and it's the starting point for getting to your banking connections. Next, go to Bank Transactions. This is the area where connected bank and credit card activity appears, and it's where you'll manage imported transactions after the account is linked. Once you're in the Bank Transactions section, click Link Account. This opens the setup window that allows QuickBooks to search for and connect with your financial institution. Now search for your bank and select it from the list. Be as specific as possible when typing the bank name, especially if your institution has multiple login portals for personal, business, or credit card accounts. Choosing the correct option helps avoid connection issues later. After selecting your bank, enter your online banking username and password, then complete any multi-factor authentication steps if prompted. Depending on your bank, this might include entering a code sent by text, email, or through an authentication app. Take your time here and make sure the login details are entered correctly. Once QuickBooks successfully connects, you'll see a list of available accounts connected to that bank login. Check the specific accounts you want to link. This is useful if your login includes multiple checking, savings, or credit card accounts, but you only want certain ones to sync with QuickBooks. Next, choose how far back you want QuickBooks to download transactions. This setting determines the date range for the initial import. If you've already entered older transactions manually, be careful not to bring in duplicates. When everything looks right, select Connect and then click Done. QuickBooks will begin pulling in the selected transactions, and depending on the bank, this may happen right away or take a little time to finish. After that, your bank account is connected and you can return to the bank transactions area to review and categorize the imported activity. That's all it takes to connect a bank account to QuickBooks Online.